living and non-living things. Hello everyone. Welcome to our exciting video series on living and non-living things. This series is divided into 3 parts to help you understand these concepts better. In the first video, we'll explore living things and their characteristics. In the second video, we'll dive into non-living things, their characteristics, and their different types. Finally, in the third video, we'll compare living and non-living things to understand their differences. Let's get started with our first video on living things and their characteristics. Living things move. Living things can move on their own. Different animals move in different ways. For example, human beings and animals walk or run. Birds fly in the sky. Monkeys jump from tree to tree. Insects crawl or fly. Fish swim in water. Plants do not move, but parts of plants show movement. Example: the sunflower turns its head to face the sun. Living things need food and water. Living things need food for energy and water to stay hydrated. Plants prepare their own food using air, water, and sunlight. They use sunlight to make their food through a process called photosynthesis. Animals, including humans, need food and water to live. They cannot make their own food but depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Food gives animals energy to move, grow, and stay healthy. Water helps their bodies work properly. Living things grow. All living things grow as a natural part of their life cycle. Growth means they increase in size and shape. Examples: plants, a seed to a tree. A tiny seed planted in the soil grows into a small plant called seedling. This seedling grows into a big tree. Animals, a puppy to a dog. A puppy is born small and cute. Over a few months and years, the puppy becomes an adult dog.
What happened here?
Humans, a baby to an adult. A little baby grows into a child, then a teenager, and finally an adult. Birds, an egg to bird. A chick hatches out of an egg and grows into a hen or a rooster. Insects, caterpillar to butterfly. A caterpillar grows into a beautiful butterfly. Living things breathe. Breathing is an important process for living things. All living things needs air to breathe and live. Human beings and animals breathe through nose. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Fish breathe through gills. Plants breathe through tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Insects breathe through small openings present on their body called spiracles. Living things reproduce. The process by which a living things gives rise to young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Reproduction means to reproduce. Humans reproduce by giving birth to babies. A mother gives birth to a child. A cat gives birth to kittens. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. The mother bird lays eggs and the eggs hatch into baby birds, or chicks. Plants reproduce by producing seeds which then grow into new plants. Living things respond to stimuli. All living things feel. The factors that cause living things to respond are called stimuli. When a person touches a hot surface, they quickly pull their hand away. The leaves of touch-me-not plant close when touched. Sunflowers can feel the direction of sunlight and slowly turn their heads to face the sun. Living things die. All living things have a lifespan, which means they eventually die. Death is a natural process that marks the end of an organism's life. It is a natural part of the cycle. Let's recap what we've learned today. Living things are organisms that have life. Examples: humans, animals, plants, and insects. Characteristics of living things. Living things move. Living things need food and water. Living things grow. Living things breathe. Living things reproduce. Living things feel. Living things die. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of nature. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. See you in next part of this video.